It's official when your boy Big C on the beat.
Today's video is brought to you by Innovative Touch. Today's video we're going to be working on a battery terminal. We had an issue with the vehicle not starting, so we had to get the vehicle towed to the house just so I can troubleshoot and see what's up. I'm going to start by taking these screws off this battery, taking off these plastic terminals so that way everything can pop out, that way I can get everything right. I'm going to be using a 3/8 open-end wrench so that way I can take these nuts off of these. Once I get all those loose, I'm going to take the terminal off, that way I can get this wire brush. I'm going to use this wire brush to brush away all the corrosion, get away some of the rust, get it all cleaned up so that way get a good connection. Make sure you use the proper PPE, wear a dust mask so that way you don't breathe any of these dust chemicals in. Clean all this stuff with this wire brush. That way everything gets for sure good connection. Now that I got everything all cleaned up, I hit everything up with the wire brush. Clean that baby up real good. Come back with this battery clean I got. Boom. Spray the baby down with that, you hear me? Hold on. Where is it cleaner, huh? I guess so. Just wasn't ready. Forgot it came out yellow. Wow. I don't know how. This is a good thing. Put a little bit more in there. It turns pink in the spots where it detects battery acid. Get this cleaned up. Put a little bit more on that battery post so that way I can come back and tighten it up. I have a little bit on that still. I wipe off all the excess. Now we got all of that tightened up. Put a little bit more torque on everything. Now we got everything tightened up. Come back, pop these little clip in right here. So everything nice, snug, and tight. Hold on. Uh-oh. Just because I wanted to work on one side, not on the other side at all. It ain't really just needed, so I just hit a little clean on it, baby. Battery's still fairly good. Shit, here it is. It's June. Having a little starting issues, you know what I'm saying? You got it right. Yeah, I figured I'd go ahead and change this piece. It wasn't giving me a good clamp down on the battery post, so I decided to change it out. You see the gap difference. Give it a little crank.